Let me see if I can show you how lousy a brand new Pensonic fan is. I assembled it 5 minutes ago, brand new out of the box. We got it for free when we bought, I don't know, was it the fridge or the new beds for the bedroom? But one thing, this fan is very light. You can easily pick it up with one hand, and the neck isn't very, likes to go up when you lift it. I have the oscillation turned off, and you'll see speed 1 is already rather fast. For 2 and for 3, there is barely any difference in the speeds. And also, look there. The center knob is unbalanced. The black thing that secures the blade to the shaft is unbalanced, right out of the factory. And the new fan certainly shouldn't have bearings that stiff. Speaking of bearings, I'm going to put the microphone next to the vent and I'll let you listen to something. You listen closely and it has bearing noise. I put my ear right up against the vent and it has bearing noise. And I'm going to show you something even more ridiculous. If you turn on the oscillation, nothing happens at all. You can see it spinning. It should be oscillating. Voila! Nothing. Nothing. Oscillation is broken right out of the box. I mean, you cannot manually turn it because the gearbox is just stuck in position. If you disengage it, it is stuck in this position. If you try to force it to turn, it is just stuck. It is permanently stuck in this position. And there's a great deal of resistance, which means the oscillation mechanism is locked into position. Like this. How dumb.